In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the perfect paper airplane every time. No more are you going to be trying to throw a barely discernible from a crumpled up chunk of paper airplane that flies like lead. And it won't embarrass you in front of your friends as a little kid and severely scar you for the rest of your life because you just couldn't handle the fact that you couldn't fold paper. Really, I think I might need to seek more help. You, my friend, are going to be able to make the best fucking airplane ever. Reality is that most people haven't spent any time trying to figure out how to fold things via origami. Because of that inexperience, they rarely get one that flies. It's disappointing. And I think everybody should be able to throw a perfect airplane. Online instructions can be confusing. Books, like this guy, and you've got the ones with the folding lines, like, yeah, folding lines. So like there or there or there. What the hell, man? In the end, you get a trash can full of paper, disappointment, and sorrow. Stupid paper. You need either a pre-cut silhouette, a vinyl cutter, or a laser engraver or a laser cutter. If you have a vinyl cutter, I didn't use mine. I'm 99.9% sure it'll work. I just need somebody to actually try this out and see if it does. I perforate the edges where the fold lines need to be with the laser or the vinyl cutter, and then it makes it really easy to fold the edge. It's that simple. So you take whatever CAD software that you have, or a image editor, or a vector editor, or computer things, draw lines. You just have to draw out the fold lines. So go on Google, search up your favorite airplane, put it into your CAD software, shrink it down a little bit so it actually fits onto the sheet. It's not a full sheet. This will help you a little later on. Then what you do is you set it so it perforates those edges and it cuts the outline. And I found that like a 1mm cut every 2mm seems to work well for the perforations. That's it. It's really kind of stupid simple. While doing the video edit, I realized that I didn't mention one thing, and that is that I will be doing a YouTube short on how the fold sequence for this airplane goes, and you'll be able to see the link up in one of the corners here or down below, but you'll be able to find it, don't worry. You're going to notice a few of the lines that I've done, I've doubled them up, and that's for where the folds are going over many sheets of paper. This is kind of just a little side trick that makes it fold a little better. Something to keep in mind when you're making your own designs. Down below, you're going to find a file that you can download for your vinyl cutter or for your laser cutter. I will give you a DXF file and an SVG file. Those are the only two files I'm going to provide for you. Let me know if you want me to make a few different aircraft for you to download, and I'll throw those onto my Patreon. Hugs from me to you. World needs a whole lot more hugs and a little more happiness. So hopefully this has put a little more happiness in your world, and That's all you got from me today.